Hello everyone. In this video, we are discussing about how GPR calculates the depth. So we have to know few things before we go for a GPR survey. In that, the first concept is the depth calculation. So in GPR, what usually happens is, if we can see the diagram, the electromagnetic wave is sent out into the ground from the transmitter, and it will be received back by the receiver. So here the question is, if GPR is giving the time, then how do we calculate the depth? So let us understand this step by step. So first, what happens in the GPR, like I'm telling, the electromagnetic wave is sent into the ground and it hits some object and it reflects back. So the wave travels is like going down to the object and coming back to the receiver is traveling up. So that means the wave is traveling twice, downward and upward again. Now the GPR system records the total travel time. That means the time taken for the wave to emit from the transmitter, and again the time taken to receive. That means we are having two or twice the travel. That is why to calculate the depth, we need to divide it with 2. So here I gave the formula, depth formula. This depth is calculated using the travel time and the velocity of the ground. So here depth equal to velocity into time by 2. This is because we need only one way distance. So we are dividing it by 2. Velocity means how fast the wave is traveling inside the ground. This usually depends on the material, like the soil type or the rock type, the content of water, like this. And time is what this GPR is actually measuring, and it is usually in the units of nanoseconds. Now, in this example, if you take um, the velocity of the wave in the ground is say zero point 0.1 meter per nanosecond, and the GPR shows a reflection at 100 nanoseconds. So using the depth formula, we can say depth equal to zero point 0.1, that is zero point 0.1 meter per nanosecond velocity into 100 nanoseconds and divided by 2. So this, it will become 10 by 2, which is 5 meters. So we can say that the object is located 5 meters from the ground surface or inside the ground. This is a simple concept. But here you have to understand one thing very clearly. Your velocity value should not be wrong. The velocity values, if they are more accurate, then you'll get the better results. This is what generally the common mistake what beginners do. So always try to estimate the velocity correctly. And in the next videos, we will see how velocity is calculated and how it changes with different materials. So this is also an important concept. So that's it for this video. Now you know how to calculate the depth using time in a GPR. So if you find this video useful, make sure you continue the series, because we are going step by step from basic to the advanced. See you in the next video. Thank you, and do subscribe to the Geoscience Engineering channel.